Welcome back to Trading with CJ, and today we are talking about probably the most cheapest stock that I've ever looked into before, well, at least on this channel anyway. It almost lives up to its name of being a penny stock. It currently trades for about 3p. We are looking at Gaxy Next Generation, ticker symbol GAXY. Now, a few people in the Discord was messaging me about this one, so I've done my research, we're looking into it, and it does look quite interesting. And if you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description below. It is completely free to join. And also, as always, if you could smash a like and subscribe to my channel, it really is appreciated. So let's get into this one, GAXY. So Gaxy Next Generation, it is a US distributor of interactive learning technology, and it allows the presenter and participant to engage in a fully collaborative instructional environment. And we're going to go through some of their products in a moment, but their distribution channel currently consists of 22 plus resellers across the US who primarily sell the company's products within the commercial and educational market. And the focus on the K-12 education market seems to be their largest customer base, comprising nearly of 90% of Gaxy's sales. So they are trying to create an interactive learning environment predominantly within schools at this moment in time. And the different products they offer here, they have interactive flat panels, kind of similar to like a smart ball type thing, mobile stands. This is quite intriguing actually, because this could get rolled out amongst different sectors. It could go into the healthcare sector, it could go into offices, even trade shows, okay? There's a wide range of uses for these. They also have these OPS computer options, which look quite interesting. You can have a panel kit, which can include computer, keyboard, mouse, etc. Video conferencing kits as well. So a lot of different technology here that could go into schools. Now, on top of all this, they also have their COVID shield, or Couv shield, they call it. And I think the clue's in the name. It is a shield, basically, to go around a desk or something like that to protect spreading germs, etc. They have two different types, and they state that they've already pre-sold to a restaurant group. We look forward to rolling out the Couv shield and helping make the classroom, office and restaurant a safer and cleaner environment. Okay, so right now I think this is a great option to go down. They're expanding, okay, not just on the technology route, they're just expanding into different revenue income streams as well. And we'll go into some of their financials on this in a moment. And this was announced just a couple of days ago. Gaxy Next Generation releasing visual alerts on January the 1st. So they are out right now, okay? And this basically allows for a message to be sent to any device in a school's district ecosystem. So you can go onto your phone and set a visual alert to any particular zone within that school or the ecosystem that has been set up. And this could be used, just for a simple message of sports days at 1 o'clock or something like that, or potentially an emergency intruder alert. Okay, so there's lots of different things this could be used for. It's handy to have access to be able to talk to any part of that school from your mobile phone. I think this is really good and innovative technology going forward, and most schools are probably going to have something similar to this in the future. Now, I don't necessarily think this is their most important or vital part of their business, because a lot of schools probably have similar style technology, but nevertheless it is another revenue stream, and there are a lot of schools out there that won't have this sort of technology, so it's definitely an option for them. So we're going to jump into some of their financials now. This was from Q1 of 2020, their Q1 anyway, not too long ago. You can see straight off the bat we have a record of 2.8 million revenue plus deferred revenue, and that revenue increased 89%. So it's going in the right direction quite clearly. Total assets increased to 5.2 million, and the backlog is now 2 million. So there's quite a lot of numbers on here. These might sound quite small, but this is a very, very small cap stock. And some of their key highlights here from that quarter, and there's quite a few, okay? They're expanding quite clearly here. We can see they partnered with Florida Public School to award protective gear. They've got awarded a $172,000 contract from a school district in Colorado. They've received up to $600,000 in commitment from COVID shields, okay? So they're selling. They've only recently rolled them out, and they are selling right there, $600,000 worth. And they've received a 1.5 million purchase order under a supply agreement. And on top of all of this, they've expanded to Australia with a new distribution partnership. So things are on the up. It's really early days for this company, but they are expanding. The revenues are growing. They are making a loss at the moment. They do have quite a lot of debt on their balance sheet. But like we say, this is early days, and the revenue is starting to trickle in for them, that's for sure. So now let's have a look at their share price, and this is a ridiculously small market cap stock, 64 million at this moment in time, and it currently trades for 0.028 cents a share, okay? So almost 3 pence a share right there, or cents. And yeah, it's shot up ridiculously in the last 5 days alone. We was trading at 1 cent a share for quite a while. Like we say, it's almost at 3 cents now. It went up to 4. So we are talking really small numbers here, but the gains in the last 5 days alone have been incredible. We are seeing about 180% gains. and it's very early days. This is a volatile stock. It does seem to have a lot of prospects going forward. However, it does have a lot of debt, and the liabilities really do outweigh its assets at this moment in time. But we're seeing the revenue start coming in. So if this is one that you're interested in, you know, it's volatile. But I definitely think there is room here for some very nice gains in the coming weeks. It could be a swing trade. You know, I'm a long-term investor myself, but I do have a few penny stocks because some of them are just irresistible. Do I hold this one? Yes, I am holding this one at this moment in time, and we're going to see what happens. It's high risk, but hopefully high reward. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. We're going to try and put out a bit more content at this moment in time. So let me know in the comments what sort of stocks you want me to look into, because I'm happy to do research into any different stocks. Thanks for watching, and until next time,